Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to your Steam account on Windows 11 computer or something like that, even on your Steam Deck. So you can see all these different options: MasterCard, American Express, Discovery, JCB, Visa, etc. So how you get here is actually really easy. Just go to the top right and go to your name, go to account details. Bring it to this page, and right here we have the option to add a payment method to this account. So we can add a credit card or something else. So select your card number, expiration date, billing information, and just make sure it's the same country you're in. Otherwise, you might run into issues. So you can see I have two different countries on here. You might need to connect back home with a VPN if it's not adding it. So I got the Philippines and other or United States as options. So just heads up, if it's not working, if you're in a different region, then your credit card or your billing information, you could be running into some issues if you try to buy something. Now, if you do have an issue trying to buy something, you can always try just adding funds to your Steam wallet first instead of just purchasing it outright. So maybe add like $50 and $25. And then you should be able to see your payment method on your account under here. You can always delete it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.